Roshane Barnett first public interview since his incarceration of taking out 5 family members in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Since we're here to protect your rights, we're here to listen to you to ensure that any claims you have about your rights being breached are addressed. Yes? You need to tell me the challenges that you have had since you've been in the cell.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Head of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Superintendent Marlon Desmet, has refuted claims that the murder suspect, Roshane Barnett, was assaulted while in custody at the Halfway Tree Police Station. Barnett, who is age 23, made his first appearance on Tuesday when he appeared before Justice Leighton Pusey in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. On Thursday, the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) announced that it has opened an investigation in relation to allegations made by Barnett, who is accused of last week's gruesome taking out of 5 of his family members in ke3d, Clarendon. INDECOM's Commissioner Hugh Faulkner said that investigators on Wednesday visited the police lockup where Barnett was preliminarily interviewed. Faulkner said that INDECOM sought medical intervention for the complainant, who will also be checked by a custody inspector. This investigation was in relation to comments reportedly made by Roshane Barnett to his lordship, the Honorable Justice Leighton Pusey, during the accused man's first appearance in the Home Circuit Court on Tuesday, June 28, 2022, as published by local media, stated Faulkner in a press release on Thursday. Roshane Barnett made headlines after he allegedly took the life of his 31-year-old cousin, Kimisha Wright, and her 4 children in ke3d, Clarendon. This was allegedly after a dispute.
Do you understand? My name is Dr. Cook. I'm a medical doctor and a justice of the peace. With me, Justice Clunis and 2 other justices, Justice Jordan Simpson. We're here to protect your rights. We're here to listen to you to ensure that any claims you have about your rights being breached are addressed. Yes? You need to tell me the challenges that you have had since you've been in the cell.
Yeah, most definitely. It's just that, but my report still, like whenever I talk to the police and the police them about the pain I have in my waist and way, so none of them now they listen to me.
And this pain is not a pain that is new since you have been in lockup. You have had this pain before?
Yeah, before.
Were you seeing a doctor for this pain before?
No.
And why is that?
I never really take it that serious still, but it keep on and off with me.
Okay, alright. Now, I want to ask you, have you been hit by any police officer since you have been in this lockup?
No, I never been hit by none of them still, but only check me so them clip my head button and stuff, yeah.
You have been threatened,
Yeah.
but you have not been hit.
No, never.
So there is no place on your body where you would have any evidence of being hit.
No.
Say again.
No hit.
Police have not hit you.
No.
Okay. So you have had a pain before, you weren't taking it seriously, and you're now saying to the police officers that you have this pain that you have is still there. Yes?
Yeah, definitely.
You didn't seek medical attention for it before this incident,
No.
and you had it prior to this incident.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So there's no reason or need for you to show me anywhere on your person because you have not been hit. Or is there a reason to show me?
No, I've never been hit. It's just that, like, I hear someone definitely have feel pain around here, so, but never been beaten or none of that.
This pain is a pain that you've had before you came to lockup.
Yeah, before.
Okay. Does this pain cause you to have, does it run down that leg? Does it cause your foot to hurt you?
Yeah, like the foot carry the stretch out away.
Okay.
But most of all, I just cover them places, the waist.
Upper them place here, you have to tell me what the place is.
The waist. Like
Your waist. Okay. Yeah. Have you been hit by any prisoners?
No.
You have not been hit by any prisoners?
Not been hit by any prisoners.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Barnett, as I spoke to you yesterday and I told you that we're going to get pictures. Yesterday I took some pictures, but I've now been instructed for you to, we're to take pictures of everywhere while Dr. Cook examines you. The only place we're not going to be taking is your genital area. But your back, your arms, your legs, all of that will be photographed. Do you have a problem with that?
No.
Okay, so kindly remove your shirts. You need to, the handcuff. You have the key, officer? Can I get the handcuff key, please? And some of the assistant gentlemen, the gentleman is in this area.
Sure,
Should
then.
not be in this area, sir. Need the handcuff key. Put the handcuff. Officer, pull your handcuff. So the two officers are here, and the handcuff will be taken off, and we will be. You have to come out on the line aside. You. So me no, not him. So Dr. Cook, Mr. Barnett is going to be taking off his shirt first. Officer, can you put on in the corner there? No, come this side. Remember, come this side. You go that side. Yeah. Please take off your shirt, sir. Sure. Can you remove the head tie? Please remove your shoes and your pants. The only thing you should have on is your brief. Okay. Dr. Cook, you direct where you want to see first.
Stand against this wall with your back to this wall. With your back
to the wall.
Hold your head up so we can examine your neck, your chest. Turn and face the wall.
It's also been reported that Roshane Barnett, the man accused of the gruesome taking out of 5 of his family members in Clarendon, is also facing allegation of having sexual relationship with a minor. His attorney, Tamika Harris, yesterday afternoon told reporters that her client has been served with an identification parade form in relation to an alleged sex crime linked to a juvenile. Barnett is accused of taking the life of his cousin, Kimisha Wright, age 31, and her 4 children, Commander Simit, age 15, Carly Simit, age 10, Rafaela Simit, age 5, and 23-month-old Kishan Henry. Allegations are that Barnett slashed the throat and inflicted stab wounds on the victim on the night of June 20 in Cocoa Peace District, Clarendon. A candlelight vigil was held in Clarendon on Wednesday night, which saw hundreds of people turning out from all over Jamaica just in order to offer their sympathy to the family as the community tried to come to terms with what transpired. The police are actually continuing the investigation into the matter and have so far apprehended the main suspect. When Roshane made his first appearance in court on Tuesday, the court ordered a psychiatric evaluation for Barnett. During his hearing, the prosecution served notice of its intention to seek the death penalty. Barnett, who is charged for 5 counts of murder, is to return to court on July 28. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.